But the question I was saying was does this particular tournament and I say how Italians are moving to the finals of every single level of European competition, you know, signal something to BSC Piana. Yes, in 89-90 ABC. Yenya Italian teams miensa omunyina no baako ball the Champions League final which was the European Cup. That was AC Milan. Baako so be ball the UEFA Cup and yebenya so ball the UEFA Cup Winners' Cup in 89-90. So you definitely look at how these teams have performed in this particular Champions League history now. Way AC Milan team in 89-90. Abraham Omoji the UEFA Champions League in 89-90. Then quickly you move on and you fully understand Juventus in 89-90. Abraham also say Fiorentina Ajide UEFA Cup and any friend Europa League. Then quickly you move on to 89-90. This was Fiorentina and Sampdoria. Sampdoria won the Cup Winners' Cup back in 89-90. This time around, yenya a final AC Milan eko final akoboni nyina na Abu Dhabi. AC Milan is not going to play and AC Milan in 89-90 am went here an English side. Yefa dream. Then you look at Juventus. And Comuni Roma call final and Pepe said they can see 89 they are. Quebec Sadi see 89 in terms of the UEFA Cup no and Webina say AC. But in terms of titles or more it shows clearly say whenever you have 3 Italian teams on be enter into every single level of UEFA competition, Abu Dhabi omumi asani na in the final no, they will make sure say at least emumi enu betima yeden. But the reason why these particular people are so much convinced say afi we betima yomafe 93-94. The team omodwen was 93-94 ni betima yomafe no and this year equal to 93-94 no. AC Milan and Barcelona and the board the UEFA Champions League final. Almost by 4 goals no. Let's not forget that Pep Guardiola was part of Barcelona team on mobile 94 final.
Now Pep can
be. Now Pep is starter in that team. So they believe that there is a club from Milan who has gone to the final of the Champions League and they are meeting a player who played from Barcelona. So they feel that way free Milan, we Barcelona in 93-94. This is the lineup of Barcelona and AC Milan. Guardiola.
Enye cheeky big stance on
cheeky big stance on one. Ono na ye Barcelona a Manchester City director.
Wow. Oh, okay.
So a club from Milan, then you are looking at Pep Guardiola related. Omo Didier Safa. Then Abu Inter Milan. Awa ko play into the final of the UEFA Cup. Inter Milan ko play more final. Yebenya Roma so ko play more into the final. But you look at this particular Inter Milan team omo against the German side. And omo the UEFA Cup no. And no concorda. Then you look at the Cup Winners' Cup. After the Cup Winners' Cup, you can say mostly and then can find a Conference League. And also English team are qualify West Ham. That year in 93-94, Arsenal and Cup Winners' Cup.
Oh, okay.
It's Italians who what GDS say. 93-94 Champions League never said the AC Milan J, you know. UEFA Cup never said the Inter Milan J, you know. Na Cup Winners' Cup ne dey. I ran na call West Ham.
Adi per the omone kana jeze Inter beji Champions League no.
Yes.
Na Roma aba beji we no.
Na Roma aba beji UEFA Cup.
Europa Conference League, you know.
And West Ham United aba beji because they feel say I feel wait to say 93-94.
Wow.
And no na just say Mourinho and your brain ho din babu. There are a lot of things a man for can want say na Jose Mourinho no club abu. The one thing about every single club abeko bia na say adebe na club no ko e na say mu no montanye. Ah okoya wakoko dane ne omani de mom. These are things that makes you distinct as a coach. Who free team ni makwa you a legacy and a legend or club ni. It will help most of the coaches no mako various clubs now they attack the legendary status not because of omudin but because of something that them usrun come by on in their clubs. But Abu, me heard Jose Mourinho there in the history of AS Roma. Obeka League omojeni 41-42. Obeka Liga omojeni in 82-83. Obeka Liga omojeni in 2000-2001. Coppa Italia de omojeni makumako enkron 9. But when it comes to European Championship, I dey bobo mu your but to go Intercity's Fair Cup. But then omunya coach wa ba be room into their setup. Omo semi-final against Barcelona in terms of European competition. No mo bi no. Abu Dhabi coach ne ba in the state of the club nim. He is progressing the club each and every day as he goes on. From Conference League to Europa. A stages of the project that Jose Mourinho have picked up at AS Roma. Look at players or the Omoye Juma, Chris Smalling. Now make us about Bovia Asembe Cherewa I say. Then you look at Matic. You look at Jorginho Van Aadu. You look at Tammy Abraham. All of these are players are in their various clubs. No beyond Pomo. No beyond Pomo. And you look at the level of achievement and the things he's doing with AS Roma now. I believe Jose Mourinho Aji League, Aji Europa League, Aji Champions League with Porto. Abu, ewo ho de. Mahuso about Chelsea 50 years, not Chelsea new league. Or the Chelsea Abeji League back to back. Ewo ho. Wako Manchester United and now what do you say free Manchester United? None of the coaches in the you call it the number of total points on your eye.
Yes.
Jose Mourinho 81 points. On any day, some points in the KG League. And on the but the toughest job I feel and the biggest achievement I mean say Jose Mourinho, ebetimi aye. And it's for the AS Roma betimi the Europa League.
On Mediana.
Abu so timi the Europa on timi the omuji the Europa League na. Abu I believe say one nkofo argument in them say ya to show.
Malte, me da so mre na so. Why? Be up. Mame ma be 11 minutes na family ramu. Na apostle family na men konkodi nkomo nemra. So